Hi, I got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is Look Fantastic. Now this is their February Valentine's edition, and this is the box. It's absolutely gorgeous, really beautiful with gold right in. So yeah, rather a large box as well, so handy to put things in on your dressing table. I do like them, their boxes are stunning. So if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about and the costs, etc. So it is a monthly beauty subscription box, and it costs £15.99, which includes postage and packaging. You get about 6 items in each box as well, sometimes full size, sometimes sample size, so you do get a bit of a mix. But inside here you get a magazine and you get a little booklet. Well, it's more like another magazine actually. I will show you and I will talk it more in detail, but basically on the little magazine it tells you a sneak peek for the following month. Now that's the only thing I know that's inside this box. So the sneak peek is a Caudalie and it's a facial serum. So I remember that from January's box, so everything else I don't know what's inside, so it's a bit of a surprise. I love a surprise, I love first impressions and all that. So yeah, so let's open this box. So the quote says, "Mayruki, doing something with soul, creativity or love." There you go. If you can see that, I know the reflections with the light might not show through. Inside the box, you always get an Elle magazine. Now this magazine costs about £4.20, no, £4.30, so you get one of these free every month. I love looking at it. So inside you get all tissue paper. Oh, the sticker isn't on mine, hold on. There's normally a sticker sticking it down, but my sticker's up there. It's a gorgeous pink little sticker. I'll open it up and show you. I'll put it down to the side of me. So what I'll do is I'll grab each item, have a look, show you, and have a little bit of a read about what it says in the booklet. So this is the mini magazine, and it's very similar to, I would say, the magazine you get in Boots. You know, the monthly magazines or the quarterly magazines, I'm not sure when they come out, I think it's monthly. And yeah, it's full of beauty information, and yeah, no, it's really good. I'll just quickly show you. Ooh, I can't, how can I do it backwards? So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that, but I do like reading this magazine. It's a small one, but it has some really good information in there, and it always tells you the sneak peek on the back. So the sneak peek for March's box is a Omorovicka, and it's a balancing moisturiser. Oh, I've had their masks, I've had their clay masks, but I haven't had anything else from that range before. So that's what we'll be getting in our March box. So it's a balancing moisturiser. Lovely. So as I said, in this booklet you have got the information about all the products that are inside this month's box. They don't give you a price and they don't say whether it's full size or sample size, but what I always do is I look up the products on the Look Fantastic website, or if I can't find it there I look elsewhere, and I add every single item in the description box below, and I'll also put in brackets whether it's full size or sample size in the box, so that you know. And the prices as well, how much all the items would cost as well. So as well as that, you'll have links to Look Fantastic website, and yeah, just things like that. So if you want to see more in the description, you just click on show more. Actually, it's a little tab underneath the video, and that brings up the description box with all the information there. So yeah, so go and check that out afterwards if you're interested. So yeah, so let's get on to our first item. Ooh, it's a Filorga, I think that's how you pronounce it. I have had one of these before, but oh no, I don't think I've had this one. This is a Soothing Radiance Mask. No, I haven't had a mask, I don't think. So that's that. I've had this in a Marks and Spencer summer box, I think. I might have had it in Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. That's the thing. When you get a lot of beauty boxes, yeah, my mind tends to go a bit like confused as to what I got. So this is a 15ml. Let's see what it's like. It smells gorgeous. Yeah, really nice. So I'm not sure how you use it, but I'll have a read now. But yeah, you've probably got enough in there. Maybe once, maybe twice to do 2 masks, maybe, I'm not sure. But no, I'll have a read to see what the information booklet says. This is their Filorga Mezzo mask, and this mask is a real superstar product, and here's why. It gives you your complexion radiance and luminosity, whilst also diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and helps to prevent them. It will also relieve your face of any signs of fatigue and even out your skin tone. All of this magic in a cream texture and an easy application, what's not to like? And it says to apply onto your face, neck, decollage and eye area and leave for 15 to 30 minutes, then remove using a damp cotton wool pad. So yeah, no, really looking forward to trying that. Second item, oh, it's a makeup product. Oh, it's Bellapierre. Now we've had Bellapierre in quite a few boxes. I've never had this. Now this is a shimmer roll. Oh, and it's for eyes and face. Wow, okay. So that's what that looks like there. A shimmer roll. Hold on, I'll just rub this face mask off my hand. I'll use it on my other hand. Oh, right. Oh, I think it's quite powdery. I'll just put it on my hand and then yes, it's powder. I was expecting it to be, oh, it is very powdery, very powdery. So I think, I'll show you now. I'm not sure if it'll pick up on the camera. Ooh. If I get out of focus. I'm not sure if you can see it there. It is gorgeous gold shimmery colour. It is beautiful, but it does come out quite heavy-handed. So yeah, I think if you were to use it on your body, like on your shoulder blades or you know, your shoulders, whatever, I think it would be completely fine applying it as it is. But if you were to apply it on your eyes, I think it'd be best to apply it on your hands like this. And because quite a lot does come out, oh, it's so pretty though. It is so pretty. And then use a brush to dab it onto your eyes, because I think you could, ooh, rubbing it in, it just, oh, that is so lovely. Oh my gosh, no, you're not gonna see, you're not gonna see. So it says, shimmer roll in champagne, the perfect product to complete your rendezvous look. This easy application, shimmer roll, will leave you with an instant glow whenever you need to add more glam to your look. We selected a colour that would work on all skin types, whether it is applied as an eyeshadow or as a highlighter. You can use it to help create a full look by applying all over the eyelid, or use just a touch in the middle of your eyelid to make any colour underneath pop out. When blended in, it makes a perfect highlight too, so be sure to add a touch of sparkle to those cheekbones as well. Shall I try it on my cheekbones? Hold on then. I'm applying it with my finger, which I don't normally do, but I'll have a go. Ooh. So no, I think that's lovely. Quite subtle, I think. But yeah, looking in the mirror here, yeah, no, it's quite nice, quite nice. So no, it blends in beautifully. So really happy with that. So the next item, I've had this before. It is Dr. Pawpaw, and it is really amazing. It is really, really good. I can't remember where I've had it again. It could be Look Fantastic Advent Calendar, Pink Parcel. It could be a few boxes actually last year. I think I've had about 2 or 3, and yeah, they are amazing. It's basically a wonder balm for everything. You can use it on your cuticles, you can use it on your eyelids as makeup, you can use it for lip balm, you can use it as a highlight. What does it say here? For lips, skin, cuticles and beauty finishing, and it's fragrance free. It's a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. And or is it Pawpaw? No, it's Pawpaw, isn't it? And it's a 10ml. So this is a little sample, because I have had a bigger pot before. I'm not sure the price, I can't remember now, but no, it is good. And this is a nice handy size actually to put in my handbag. It's it's like a lip balmy thing, a lip balm end. It's very much like Vaseline. That sort of feel, that sort of consistency, yeah, you're not going to see much there. But yeah, no, it's just nice, really nice. I put some on my cuticles, but they're not doing very well at the moment. If you're not already familiar with this multi-purpose balm, let us introduce you to the Dr. Pawpaw family. These little tubes might look small, but they are oh so powerful. They can be used wherever your skin needs hydration, literally. On your lips, on your face if you have a few dry patches, elbows, feet, cuticles, as a nappy cream, for sunburn, skin irritations, you get the picture. In this month's beauty box you will find the original Dr. Pawpaw multi-purpose soothing balm containing 3 fabulous, all natural ingredients: fermented pawpaw fruit, papaya, aloe vera and olive oil, making this balm a natural beauty must-have. And yeah, I've just read what it says, what it can do, what you do to it, and yeah. So even though it's a teeny tiny one, you only need a tiny bit really. I'm happy with that because it's a sort of size I can just pop in my handbag. My handbag's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I'll have to do a what's in my handbag video. So the next item Oh, it's a Trifle Cosmetics, and this is a Sugar Pear Sublime Lip Scrub. Oh, has it got a seal on it? Yeah. So I think this is a sample. It looks quite small, but then lip scrubs, you only need a tiny bit, don't you? So I don't know. As I said at the beginning, I will find out and I'll put it in brackets whether this is a sample or actually a travel size or a full size in the description. But Trifle Cosmetics, I've had a few of their products, mainly in pink parcel. I've had their lipsticks. Their packaging is absolutely stunning, and yeah, this is gorgeous as well. It's cruelty free, yeah, no, really, really nice. So I've got quite bright lipstick on today, so I can't really try it. Ooh, it's got a seal thing on, but I'll have a try on my hand. Oh my word, what's that smell of? What is it supposed to be? Sugar pear? Oh, it reminds me of something. Doesn't smell like pear. It smells like a cake, but I can't think what cake. Oh, if you get Look Fantastic and you've received this in your box, if it reminds you of something, I'd love to know. Write down below. But it reminds me of a cake, and I can't think. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Absolutely hate it. Oh, it is gorgeous anyway. It is really nice, like a caramelly. Oh, it's beautiful. Right now, I can't really try it on my lip. No, I can't. I'll just mess up my lips. But yeah, it's a lip scrub. It's a lip scrub. So, but it smells gorgeous. I've got all sticky hands now. So let's see what the information says. This is a crunchy sugar scrub that will make your lips as soft as butter. It is formulated with cacao butter. Cacao. It is formulated with cacao butter, sweet almond oil, and pecan pie. I don't know. Pecan seed oil, so that it hydrates and nourishes your lips while taking away all dead skin cells. To make this product even more heavenly, it is infused with toffee mixture and pear extract. Your lips will thank you for this little treat. It's got to be pecan pie, isn't it? Like a pecan and toffee syrup pie or something. Yeah, it is gorgeous. And it says how to use. Scoop some product with your fingers and use circular motions. Scrub your lips until smooth. Wash off with some water. So now I'm happy with that. My next item. This is the sneak peek that we had in January's box. This is Caudalie, and this is the Vino Sauce, and it's the SOS Thirst Quenching Serum, and this is a 10ml. Now I can't remember, I've had a load of Caudalie stuff before. I don't think I've ever had this serum, and I can't remember whether this is the actual full size. I'm sure these are the actual full sizes. I'm not sure, because they do come in smaller bottles. It smells nice. Yeah, it smells really nice. Yeah, it feels nice. It feels like a really nice light serum. I'm always on the lookout for a good serum. That is one item that I have trouble finding. Not so much trouble finding, but I don't want to spend a fortune on a serum if it doesn't suit my skin. So yeah, no, so it's nice to have a face serum, well for me anyway, in a box so I can try it. So it says it's calling all those with dry and sensitive skin. This is the latest addition to the Caudalie Vino Sauce family, and it is a little gem. With this extra cold weather, your skin can get hydrated very quickly, so it is important for you to add some moisture to your routine. This serum diffuses water and restores moisture balance and leaves your skin soft and supple. The extra grape water and hyaluronic acid added in a formula will give your complexion a radiant and dewy look. So no, I'll give that a go. So my last item is an Elemis product. Now everyone says down below, you will love Elemis, Claire. You will love Elemis. Elemis is amazing. Elemis is gorgeous. I've only recently tried it, and I think I had it in my Look Fantastic ad from calendar again. Maybe. I've had it somewhere, and I don't think I've had it anywhere else. I'm not sure. And it is gorgeous. It is really nice. The smell is stunning, and I have had this one before, so it's a moisturiser, it's a cream. I am really happy with that because, yeah, it is really nice and it's expensive, really expensive. So this is the Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream, and this is a 15ml bottle. So let's see. Oh, it's got a seal thing on, which is good. Yeah, it smells luxurious. Yeah, it feels gorgeous. Again, it's quite lightweight. You know, it absorbs well into the skin. I do really like it. Yeah. A bestseller within the skincare world. This cream is as famous as Chanel Numero 5. This cream is perfect for all skin types and is designed to increase hydration and help improve the appearance of dull skin and fine lines. Super hydrating yet not sticky. The lightweight formula makes it perfectly applied as a primer. The powerful anti-aging ingredients of the award-winning Pro Collagen Marine Cream have been shown to reduce the depth of wrinkles, improve skin firmness and hydration in as little as 14 days. If you have a full skincare routine, then this cream is best applied after the serum or oil. Just a pea-sized amount is needed as the formula is concentrated and super light. Place onto your hands and warm together before application, then gently smooth over your face, neck and décolletage every morning. But yeah, really happy to receive this again because I do know I like it. So let's see what I got in total. There's all the items. So they do look teeny tiny. They are, I think most of them are samples. I will find out, but maybe not, because some of them, you know, you only need a tiny bit and they do last a long time. But no, I'm really quite chuffed actually this month. I think it's better than last month's. It's more suited for my skin. I found last month's, there's a few items that I couldn't use, so I had to give it to I didn't have to, but I ended up giving it to my cousin and she was really happy to receive them. But yeah, some of these products I've seen before and I've had before, like this one I've had before but the bigger version. I don't think I've had this serum. I'm sure I haven't had this serum. I have had this Elemis and I love it. I've had Filorga before, but I don't think I've had the mask. And Trifle Cosmetics, I've had their lipsticks before, but not their scrub. So that's stunning. It is. It is pecan syrup pie or whatever it is. And then the Bellapierre, I've had a load of Bellapierre items before and I do really like their brand, and yeah, this is stunning. This is stunning. It is so pretty and I can't wait to try it. So yeah, all in all, I am quite happy actually. There's a good mix there. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, it'd be so lovely if you were to leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. I have got a giveaway ending in about 7 days I think, and I've also got lots of unboxings to come as this is February. It's the beginning of February. And yeah, I've got Glossy Box, Rocker Box, oh, a few others. Anyway, so thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.